like apples?
Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples.
Yes, I like apples.
I like to eat.
I like to eat.
I like to eat.
I like to eat
Healthy food,
healthy food,
not junk food.
junk food. Ever go to the supermarket and just can't remember what groceries you already have at home?
The smart fridge is a technological marvel compared to fridges of the past. It boasts a food management system that maintains a list of the food it is storing. It also records the expiry dates of the foods and sends out an alert via Wi-Fi when that date has been reached.